the body parts is not shaking around and could be broken easily, because your muscles then holding everything together, and that's what they say that's really help. And try to make yourself as a ball to roll, to get the energy absorbed by rolling.
Okay.
That's also what the stuntmen do when they fall. They get the energy into a rolling ball.
Oh my gosh.
I could not see that it's so swampy here.
It's so slow, stop.
Because before it was not swampy. But I got it, huh?
Yes. Oh my god, look.
Did you pee in your pants?
No.
Okay.
I noticed it. Good thing that you did not speed through. You don't pee in the middle. There's still like...
Yeah, and then when I pulled the clutch... we're almost there, babe. I know that's another in between.
Still 20 minutes.
Then I pulled the clutch and then it's stabilizing. Otherwise we would have been falling. Finished?
Yes, back to cement. Back to tarmac. That was the last. Hooray.
Yeah. No, again.
Another one.
Yeah. So the gravel is okay, but the mud is shitty.
Yeah, it's a dry mud.
Yeah.
Dried mud.
No, it was wet.
No, it is not wet. It's dried.
Yeah.
It's dried.
Yeah, but you behaved well, babe. You did not make rapid moves. That really helps me to get it under control.
Yeah, of course, I was holding tight to you.
Yeah.
So whichever your body moves, then I'm moving also.
Yeah. Being centered, connected to the motorbike, that's the best that you can do.
Otherwise, if I do something for myself, then...
Yeah, I have to compensate that then. Because every move of mass is changing the way the motorcycle goes.
Not in the middle.
Here it's also a bit muddy.
Don't stay in the middle.
Yes, boss.
You cannot see it, or?
Huh?
Because in the middle is the loose gravel and
Yeah.
stone. But on the both sides is flat and...
yeah, but I want to switch...
yeah, but switch where it's good one.
Yeah. Because I always want to be in the inner curve. In case we slide, we have space. A bit at least.
because my body's on fire. But just one thing. Okay, it's muddy again. And
Yeah.
it's a dried mud, so that's why it's...
Yeah, but the mud there was higher, was more.
Yeah.
Good thing that we have that Heidenau tires.
What's good with it?
Yeah, because they're a bit like gravel tires. They are not street. With street tires it would be really horrible here, but with these tires it's okay.